Hey everyone, so I want to give you a quick update on the Lego sorter um, factory machine that I'm working on. Just want to give you a quick update. It's middle of the night, couldn't sleep, so I just started working on it. So I got a little farther. I installed the ceiling fans. You can see that uh, there's chains on there to drive them all in unison. I will be attaching a motor later, just not right now. I also did another expansion on the medium um, level conveyors. It's not a closed loop yet, but I just wanted to give you heads up. That's what I'm talking about is the conveyors lined in orange. This will be for my medium pieces being sorted, like my gears and ankle pieces. Um, on higher level, this is a smaller conveyor system for my smaller pieces that will be distributed along the turntables here. 5 turntables, and there's 6 cups on each turntable, so that I can sort 30 small pieces. On the bottom level, haven't even got it started yet. Bottom level are going to be my very wide conveyors for larger pieces. And I have an axle sorter conveyor down here lined in white. That's going to be installed at a later time. But I just want to give you a quick update that I installed the medium part conveyors, and I installed the overhead fans that, if you can see, let me turn around real quick. I'm gonna turn the axle real quick. You can see them.